Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this very rare and utterly stunning KTM RC8 R. Here we have a KTM RC8 1190 R. This is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate with just 4,491 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in pristine condition. Really is one for the collectors, I must say. An absolute stunner from every angle. The bike, as I said, excellent condition, or pristine condition. Petrol tank there, all good with that unusual petrol tank crash bung. Of course, these bikes really built for the RC8 racing series, so they are sort of developed with track in mind. This one, however, I can fairly confidently say has not seen the racetrack. No marks on the mirrors, bar ends, or the levers. Absolutely superb. All the bodywork in pristine condition there, as you can see. No scratches, no stone chips, nothing at all. You've got a carbon fibre cover there over the engine case and a RC8 badged crash bung there as well. That beautiful orange trellis frame is unmarked, just like the foot pegs. Standard exhaust on this one, just tucked in there. A really good job of the design on this bike, KTM did. Swinging arm, again, absolutely immaculate. We got a paddock stand bob in there as well and a spindle protector. The rear wheel in excellent condition, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and is of course a Marchesini rear wheel. Rear tyre, bags of life left in that one there as well. The rear of the bike, there's a tail tidy, data tag security marking as well. The rear of the bike's in excellent condition, as you can see. Of course, the RC8R is a single seater. The bike's 173 horsepower, although you will swear it feels faster than that. It's a really beautiful power delivery on these, I have to say, and a fantastic ride. Front of the bike, no stone chips, no scratches, no damage. There's a tinted screen fitted as well, which is an aero item. The front mudguard, all in excellent condition, as you can see there. Brembo brakes, and of course WP fully adjustable suspension on this one. That Marchesini front wheel, again in excellent condition with no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Front tyre, plenty of life left, as we said. The left hand side of the bike, well, it's the same story. Absolutely nothing to apologise for on this very rare and stunning motorcycle. The mirrors all in good condition there. Bar end, lever, all the bodywork here in superb condition. No marks on it anywhere at all there. No sign of any drop damage. No sign of that crash bung there either. And the petrol tank there, all in fantastic condition. Front wheel on this left side, again, unmarked, tip-top order, just like the rest of this stunning rare motorcycle. All the bodywork there on the bottom there, no stone chips, no scratches. Chaining sprockets all in excellent condition, as well as is the swinging arm on this left-hand side, and the rear wheel also. There's your fully adjustable WP rear shock. The top of the bike, again, no scratches, no scuffs, no boot scuffs. Really has been loved, this one. There's a KTM tank pad there. Of course, you get your LCD display there. And the steering damper. So if you are looking for a rare superbike to add to your collection, look no further than this stunning KTM RC8 1190 R. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this cracking KTM, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.